How you doing today? Let's talk about deposits. Typically, when you talk about deposits, you think, what am I going to deposit into my personal checking account? What am I going to deposit at work? Did we get all the money in from the people that we bill? Did we make enough deposits to cover payroll? Right? Deposits, as I would like to talk to you about today, are this. Are you making deposits in your business, in your people, and in your family? You know what I mean by that? Are you making personal deposits? Not withdrawals. Are you depositing? Deposits don't always mean money. Sometimes it means pouring into people and giving back. Think about it like this. There are many people out there that don't understand that concept. All they know how to do is take. You see it in business. The people that own the business strip all the money out of the business, and there's no money left to grow or to invest in the people. You want a successful business? You can't take all the money out. You gotta leave it in. You gotta put the deposits in there. Sometimes you redeposit it. That's what we do. We make money, we deposit it in the bank, we don't take it all out, and we use some of that to reinvest in our people and make deposits in them. Simple for me, not for a lot of people. So are you making deposits in your business, your family, and your friends? Or are you always making withdrawals? If all you do is wait on the business to write you a paycheck and you take it every week and you don't do your job and you don't focus on the needs of the business, what's going to happen down the road? You see it every day. Bankruptcy, loss of customers, loss of revenue, layoffs. Wrong answer. In our business, everybody needs to make a deposit somewhere, whether it's doing a great job, being sold out on the business, like we talked about before, but not always making withdrawals. If you're not making regular deposits, how can you expect the business, your family, or your friends to sustain you when you need them the most? I'm gonna ask you that again. If you're not making regular deposits in the business and in the people and in your customers, how can you expect the business, your family, or your friends to sustain you when you need them the most? I'd like to go a little bit deeper. Deposits, for the most part, is when you're depositing money into your bank account, right? But in my opinion, it means so much more than that. Everybody's got a dream they want to live. Everybody needs to go to work so that they can make money and deposit it into their bank account. But deposits don't always mean money. Sometimes it's your company's moving in a new direction and you haven't been assigned necessarily that job title, and you need to make a deposit by signing on board to help the company and run hard to help so that your company can grow. Sometimes when you have a new person in a new department, it's spending time with them so that they can understand what the company's all about. You're making a deposit into that person, into that other human being, so that they can be successful and help you grow the business. Sometimes it's making, not sometimes, if you have children, it's always about making a deposit in them when they're young. Sometimes I think that's the most rewarding deposit you can ever make, is in your family and in your children. I really do. Because then you get to see them grow up, right? And you get to see the adults that they become, and they take a life of their own. So the best deposit that I've ever made has been in my children and in my family and in my wife. The second best deposit has been in the businesses that we own, and making sure that we consistently look inside those businesses and identify people that have that wonderful possibility and could be great, but nobody's ever deposited into them. We've made a few mistakes, and people have taken advantage of that. And that's okay, that's just life. But if you sincerely want to live your dream, then learn how to make deposits in other people, not just your bank account. Make it in your business. Sometimes a deposit doesn't mean you get any return on your investment. There's nothing wrong with that either. You just got to find the balance in your life. So, I guess what I would say is, in making a deposit, thinking about the things that we talked about today, I'll show you. I like visuals. Why don't you go forth and live your dreams? Because that's what I do. Have a great day. See you soon.